like being a teacher?
Yeah, of course, it's my passion. I love,
That's awesome.
I love teaching.
That's great. And do you prefer teaching high school or primary school?
Yeah, I'm teaching high school.
High school, okay. Uh-huh. And have you taught elementary school before?
Yeah,
Yeah, you
I teach
haven't.
for 1.5 years for the elementary school also.
Okay. And which one do you like more, elementary or high school?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Yeah, do you like elementary school or high school more?
Elementary school has its own experience. There are small children. Obviously, you like to teach small children. They have every day new creation, new questions. It's like a fun to teach them. And high school students are, quite uh, senior to them. So there is another kind of experience. Both are correct for me. But I wanted to, a growth in my career. So I started teaching the high school students.
I see. Yeah. So I'm teaching elementary school students, so that's why I was
Oh,
asking you. Yeah.
okay, okay. So how do you feel teaching the
Yeah, I like the elementary kids more than the high school kids because in elementary they're just cute. You play with them, you have fun. They really like you, and like you said, they're very curious. But in
Yes,
high
yes, yes.
school these days, everybody's on their phones, so it's not fun anymore.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So
Uh,
actually, I'm quite new here on the Cambly.
you're
Yeah,
new, right?
it's my first, first call here on the Cambly. So will
Oh,
you
wow.
tell
Okay.
something about Cambly, like how it can help me in my pronunciation, or in what way it can help me?
Yeah, so it depends what you want to improve, right? You can have conversations with the teachers, and the teachers will help you with the pronunciation, or if you say something wrong, they will let you know. If you want, you can do some read a small article, and maybe you can learn some new vocabulary, and then we can ask questions about the article, and it'll be like questions about your
Okay.
comprehension. Or you can do grammar, whatever you feel you need to improve the most. Just
Okay,
let the
actually, yes, sir. Actually, I have been teaching here in India as a second language, English. So I'm quite good in grammar, but the part that I want to improve is just pronunciation. Because you might have been feeling that I have some kind of mother tongue influence in my speaking. So I just want to get rid that.
Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, so I mean, just let the teachers know when you speak on Cambly to help you with the pronunciation. So when you say something wrong, we will let you know. Okay.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
yeah, so the word I'm hearing that's a little bit wrong is pronunciation. Uh-huh.
It's pronunciation. I think it's pronunciation, isn't it?
So pronoun C. It's an S sound. Ciation.
No, I think I'm asking whether it is pronunciation or pronunciation.
Yeah, the second one, pronunciation.
It's
But
pronunciation.
yeah, so I think that the British is pronunciation and the American is pronunciation. But what you were saying wrong is this the C sound. So it should be
Okay.
ciation. Ciation.
Ciation.
Uh-huh.
Ciation.
Exactly. Yeah. You were saying pronoun. Uh-huh. Exactly.
Okay.
Pronunciation. Okay. Yeah, perfect.
Pronunciation. Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Actually, sir, I have a question in my mind about Cambly. Like, I can understand native speakers very well, and I can speak also as well. So I have a question, like, if a beginner wants to attend, wants to join Cambly, so will it be fruitful for them?
Yes, it
Be
will.
able
It
to
will be very
understand.
fruitful. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, because they will speak with the teachers and improve their English. And we have many lessons in the library in Cambly, so we can
Like,
have.
in India, our accent is different and your accent is different. So it may be problem with them to understand your accent. So how will you make them understand in their way?
Well, I mean, the best we can do is speak slowly and clearly. That's the only thing we can do. Of course, we cannot change our accent to be an Indian accent,
Yeah,
right? So,
definitely. That's what I was asking. I
yeah.
know you can't change. Even we also can't change our accent.
Yeah, of course. So all we can do is speak slowly and clearly. And if they're not understanding something, then we can type it, right? We can type in the chat, right? So they can they
Okay,
can
okay.
they can see it, for example.
Yes,
Then
yes, yes.
we can use the chat. So and we have many lessons in Cambly that can help the beginners. We have beginner lessons. So we start like we have a curriculum, right? So lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until they get better and better. So that's a lot of things. There are a lot of advantages.
Okay, okay. Thank you for the information. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
yeah, absolutely. You're very welcome.
So what else I can do except Cambly? What else I can do to improve my English?
For you to improve your English, okay. So it's English with the sh sound, okay? English.
English.
Uh,
It's
yeah, English. Uh-huh.
okay.
I think you have a little bit of problem with the S sound and the sh
Yeah,
sound, right?
yeah, English is English or English?
No, that's the first one, English.
English. Okay, sure.
Yeah, sh sound, exactly.
English.
Yeah,
English. Okay.
yeah, because sh is a sh sound, right? So
Sure, sure. Yeah, okay. Okay, okay.
English. Yeah, I think in your free time, as much as possible, listen to American English or British English, so you can see how the pronunciation is. Because your problem is only with pronunciation, I think. So focus on.
Yeah, I check it in on Google frequently whenever I face any problem. I keep checking on the Google.
Yeah,
So
perfect. That's perfect. So yeah, that's the best way for you. And always listen to English in your free time. Maybe videos or music or podcasts or news, anything. Always listen, listen, listen. Because for pronunciation, the best thing to do is listen. Reading, writing will not help you. So listening is the best.
so is it possible that I can change my accent?
Is it possible to change your accent? It's possible, but it will take a long time, I think.
Yeah, definitely. That I was that's what I was thinking, that it's not a easy task to change the accent.
Yes, it's not very easy, exactly. I think maybe if you are living in a country if you were living in the United States, it will be easier, maybe.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
But
I know
because
that.
because your mother tongue is maybe Hindi or
Yes, yes, Hindi.
Hindi, yeah. So people from India have a specific accent, But accents are okay. Accents are beautiful, I think. Everybody has an accent. Even English speakers, like from England or from the U.S. or from Australia, they have different accents when they speak English.
Oh, the same is here. In India, means in India we speak Hindi, but the accent is different in every state. Their way of speaking is different. Even they are speaking Hindi, but still their accents are different in
Exactly.
every state.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can pretend. So sometimes some American people try to speak in the British accent, right? It's possible,
Yes, that
you know.
yes, but I think if one want to change their accent and they try to speak in British accent or in American accent, it feels like unnatural,
Exactly.
isn't it?
Yes. It's like you're pretending. You're pretending.